Welcome to Techtopia X, where we explore the latest technology and help you better understand the products you're interested in. If you'd like to learn more about today's product, you'll find a product link in the description below. Today we're taking a look at the Veeniix V11PRO RC2, a GPS-enabled camera drone designed for hobbyists and beginner aerial photographers looking for a combination of long flight time, stabilized video, and intelligent flight features. It includes a 48-megapixel camera built around a half-inch CMOS image sensor, a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, and a remote controller with an integrated display, eliminating the need to use a smartphone while flying. One of the headline specifications is its ability to capture 48MP still photos at up to 8,000 by 1600 pixels and record 4K video at 30 frames per second. The camera is stabilized by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal combined with electronic image stabilization, which helps reduce vibration and provides smoother footage during flight. The fixed aperture lens is paired with up to 5x digital zoom for additional framing flexibility. Flight performance is another major aspect of the V11PRO. The package includes 2 intelligent batteries, with each battery rated for up to 40 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions, providing a combined advertised total of up to 80 minutes. Actual flight duration will vary depending on flying style, wind conditions, and camera usage, but the dual battery package allows longer sessions before recharging becomes necessary. For transmission, the drone supports a maximum digital video range of approximately 6 kilometers under optimal conditions. This long-range capability allows pilots to maintain a stable video feed while flying within applicable regulations and visual line of sight requirements. The included RC2 remote controller features its own built-in display, allowing users to monitor the live camera feed and flight information without connecting smartphone. This simplifies setup and provides a dedicated control experience right out of the box. Safety and positioning technologies include GPS positioning, automatic return to home, low battery return to home, signal loss return to home, TOF ground sensing, ultrasonic positioning, and integrated navigation lights. These systems help maintain stable hovering and assist during takeoff and landing operations. The drone also offers several intelligent flight functions. Features such as waypoint flight, follow me, point of interest orbit mode, and gesture controls allow users to automate camera movements and create a variety of aerial shots. These functions are designed to simplify operation while expanding creative possibilities for photography and video recording. Physically, the V11PRO weighs approximately 600 grams and uses a foldable design for easier transportation. When folded, it measures roughly 202 by 107 by 83 millimeters, expanding to approximately 350 by 350 by 83 millimeters when ready for flight. Its larger size compared to many sub-250-gram drones contributes to improved stability during outdoor operation, and the aircraft is rated for level 5 wind resistance. Storage is handled through a micro SD card slot supporting capacities up to 256 gigabytes, allowing users to record high-resolution photos and videos directly to removable media. Battery charging supports USB-C PD, fast charging for reduced downtime between flights. Overall, the Veeniix V11PRO RC2 combines a 48MP camera, stabilized 4K video recording, extended battery life, GPS-assisted flight, intelligent flight modes, and a built-in screen controller into a single package. Based on its published specifications, it is intended for recreational aerial photography, landscape imaging, travel videos, and general-purpose drone flying, while offering a broad set of camera and flight features. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future technology reviews. If you'd like to learn more about the Veeniix V11PRO RC2, you'll find a product link in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.